This is the last tutorial video on how to align your LED bar. You'll basically only need a heat gun or a hairdryer. Before we start the alignment on the car, this is a sort of a pre-alignment again, which you can do to make sure that your LED bar installs itself a little bit more easy and a little bit more flush on your car. So you want to heat up your LED bar in the center of the glass, in the middle of the glass, and then you want to slowly move your way up top. Once you put enough heat into your LED bar, the LED bar edge will sort of curve downwards due to gravity. You don't need to put a lot of force on it. Of course, you can help it out a little bit, but do not apply too much force to your LED bar in this stage, or you might end up tearing it. Here you can see that the LED bar has slightly bended itself downward, that the glass is slightly bending itself downwards. And you can also see this a little bit better on this picture. This basically assures an easier installment to your glass a little bit later on. These are one-time use clips that come pre-installed on your LED bar in a clip bracket. Now you can slide these clips forward and backward ever so slightly to make sure that you get the perfect sort of center alignment of your LED bar on your tailgate. We do supply you with 2 extra clips in case you do need to remove your LED bar. This is where we start to align the LED bar to the car. First you install it, conform the whisk procedure. Now, as you can see, we offer 2 aluminum strips alongside as an extra option for your LED bar. They help you align it slightly more easy, and they do that because you can sort of place these strips behind your glass with a piece of tape so your LED bar sticks to that tape and sticks to the glass. We will now start the alignment by heating up the LED bar. We do this exactly in the middle of the LED bar again, sort of in the center, and then move about. You don't want to aim your heat ray at your window, otherwise your window might actually shatter. Especially if the climate you're doing this in is very, very cold. Now once you put some heat into your LED bar, you're able to nudge your LED bar somewhat into place under the window. You want to gently push the edge of your LED bar more towards your window, and you want to repeat this procedure a few times. Then you want to let your LED bar rest, cool back down, and then repeat the same procedure probably a day or whenever you have some time later. Now I'll basically show you what not to do with your LED bar. So first I put too much heat in it, and now I'm putting too much pressure on it. This will create a crack. That crack will eventually become a tear, and that tear will eventually form its way around the LED bar. So avoid this at all time. Again, patience, start it slowly and finish it slowly in the course of several days, and then you will get your alignment exactly flush to your window. As you can see here in the middle, the alignment is still not perfect, and on the left side of the Saab logo you can see that the alignment is getting better and better. Now here's the crack we just talked about. This is what you want to avoid, what I'm showing you exactly here. Now, as you can see here, a crack isn't the end of the LED bar. It still functions completely fine. You just sort of want to avoid that sort of thing, as it ruins the look ever so slightly when you're up close. Thanks for watching, and I hope you do enjoy your LED bar and the installation of your LED bar.